A ZANU-PF official has claimed that the ruling party successfully dismantled the Opposition Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) and is now waiting for its former leader Nelson Chamisa to establish a new party so that it can dismantle that as well. Zamina masho watonda wakomana veve mburamba kuti aiwa hatinei nekuparira kwethe opposition CCC vakuya vachibvuma vatora mashuko ekumuthreatina vachiti akafoma imwe want to dismantle it again. Zamina mashuko amudanyikwa panapa panobva subscribe or like watombe bheda kuti pinda panapa pahendo ipindula vanonera vachiti speaking to ZANU-PF supporters at Charandura Business Center in Chirumanzo, where 50 people allegedly defecting from the CCC to the ruling party were publicly paraded. Midlands Provincial Chairperson Edson Chierenga declared that ZANU-PF was prepared to dismantle any new party Chamisa might form. He said, "The party CCC wants to register another party. We know there is no longer any CCC because the party has disintegrated. We are waiting for the new party to come on board so that we destroy it again." Chierenga expressed gratitude to the CCC defectors for joining ZANU-PF, adding that both the party and President Idi Mnangagwa recognized and appreciated their decision. However, he warned the new ZANU-PF members not to come with ambitions of quickly seizing positions within the party. This follows the dramatic exit of Nelson Chamisa from the CCC in January 2024. Chamisa alleged that the party had been infiltrated, claiming that self-styled interim secretary general Zanu has taken control of the party. Thomas Wanumdanyikwa panapa nevakomana vemupindula vachiti aiwa vakomana in the ruling party ZANU-PF vazobuda pachena vakati aiwa they are now ready aiwa to dismantle any party inenge yafomwa opposition leader vari kuNelson Chamisa. Iyo iri movie yatiri kuona iri kubozwa nevanhu vese, vanhu vakamirira kuti Nelson Chamisa abuditse bato rake vamutevere. Tuze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, timutonge bell icon.